Cool bike gadgets on Amazon are changing the way we ride, and some of these feel straight out of the future. From smart upgrades that boost your safety to clever accessories that make every ride smoother, faster, and way more fun, these picks are all about leveling up your bike game without breaking the bank. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or chasing adventure, there's something here you'll instantly want. Get ready to discover gear you didn't even know you needed. Watch till the end for the best ones. Number 1. Titanker Bike Chain Lock. Leaving your bike outside for even a few minutes can feel risky, especially in crowded areas. The Titanker Bike Chain Lock steps in as a strong, flexible solution that keeps your ride protected. Its heavy-duty steel chain resists cutting, while the protective fabric cover prevents scratches on your frame. It's long enough to secure your bike to almost anything, giving you more parking options. Among cool bike gadgets, this one delivers real peace of mind, so you can lock up, walk away, and not think twice. Number 2. Finish Line Bicycle Chain Cleaner. A dirty chain can slow you down and wear out your bike faster than you think. The Finish Line Bicycle Chain Cleaner makes cleaning quick, easy, and almost mess-free. Just attach it to your chain, add cleaner, and watch grime disappear as you pedal. It reaches deep into the links, restoring smooth performance instantly. This is one of those cool bike gadgets that keeps your ride running like new, because a clean chain means faster, quieter, and more efficient cycling every time. Number 3. REDSHIFT Bicycle Pedals with LED Lights. Riding at night without visibility can feel dangerous and stressful. The REDSHIFT Bicycle Pedals with LED Lights turn your pedals into bright, eye-catching safety features. Every rotation creates a glowing motion that drivers can easily spot from a distance. They're durable, stylish, and super easy to install. Among cool bike gadgets, these pedals don't just improve safety, they add a futuristic vibe to your ride, making you stand out while staying protected on dark roads. Number 4. RAVEMEN CL01 Bike Tail Light. Getting noticed from behind in low light conditions is crucial for your safety. The RAVEMEN CL01 Bike Tail Light solves that with powerful brightness and smart lighting modes that adapt to your ride. It's compact yet highly visible, ensuring drivers see you clearly from a distance. Easy to mount and reliable in all conditions, it's built for everyday riders. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that keeps you safer on every ride, because visibility isn't optional, it's essential. Number 5. Rehook Tire Glider. Changing a tire can be frustrating, especially when it feels like you're fighting the rubber the whole time. The Rehook Tire Glider makes tire removal and installation smooth and effortless. Its smart design lets you glide the tire onto the rim without struggle or damage. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for quick fixes on the go. Among cool bike gadgets, this tool saves time and energy, turning a tough job into something quick, clean, and surprisingly satisfying. Number 6. WINFAVO Bike Repair Toolkit. Unexpected breakdowns can ruin your ride, especially when you're far from home. The WINFAVO Bike Repair Toolkit prepares you for those moments with a compact set of essential tools. From tightening bolts to fixing small issues, everything you need is right there in one portable kit. It's easy to carry and simple to use, even for beginners. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that keeps your ride going, because being prepared means you're never stuck. Number 7. Brightz GoBrightz LED Bike Frame Light. Riding at night can feel dull and risky without proper lighting. The Brightz GoBrightz LED Bike Frame Light transforms your bike into a glowing masterpiece. It wraps around your frame, creating vibrant light patterns that boost both style and visibility. Installation is quick and the effect is instant. Among cool bike gadgets, this one turns heads while keeping you safer, making every night ride feel like a moving light show you actually want to be part of. Number 8. LISEN Bike Phone Holder. Trying to check directions while riding can be awkward and unsafe. The LISEN Bike Phone Holder keeps your phone secure and right in front of you. Its strong grip holds your device steady even on bumpy roads while allowing easy access to maps or apps. Installation takes seconds and it fits most handlebars. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that blends convenience and safety, so you stay connected without losing focus on the road. Number 9. Wsdcam Bike Alarm. Bike theft is always a concern, especially when you leave your ride unattended. The Wsdcam Bike Alarm adds a powerful layer of protection with its motion-sensitive alert system. The moment someone touches your bike, it blasts a loud alarm that scares them off instantly. It's compact, easy to install, and comes with a remote for control. Among cool bike gadgets, this one gives you confidence wherever you park, turning your bike into something thieves think twice about. Number 10. ROCKBROS Bike Water Bottle Holder. Reaching for water while riding riding shouldn't feel like a struggle. The ROCKBROS bike water bottle holder keeps your bottle secure and within easy reach. Its strong grip holds bottles firmly, even on rough terrain, while allowing quick access when you need a drink. It's lightweight, durable, and simple to install. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that keeps you hydrated without slowing you down, because staying refreshed should always be effortless on every ride. Number 11. Zacro Bike Seat Cushion. Long rides can turn painful fast when your saddle feels like a rock. The Zacro Bike Seat Cushion steps in with thick, shock-absorbing padding that instantly upgrades your comfort. It fits over your existing seat in seconds and reduces pressure where it matters most. Whether you're commuting or cruising for hours, it smooths out every bump. Among cool bike gadgets, this one changes how your ride feels, turning discomfort into pure enjoyment so you can stay on the road longer without thinking about soreness. Number 12. Onforu Portable Bluetooth Speaker for Bike. Riding in silence can make long routes feel endless and boring. The Onforu Portable Bluetooth Speaker for Bike brings your ride to life with powerful, clear sound. It connects easily to your phone and is built to handle outdoor conditions like dust and splashes. Mount it on your bike and enjoy music, podcasts, or navigation audio hands-free. This is one of those cool bike gadgets that adds energy to every mile, making your ride feel less like a routine and more like an experience. Number 13. Ascher Bike Light Set. Low visibility can make night riding stressful and unsafe. The Ascher Bike Light Set solves that with a bright front light and a powerful rear light that keep you visible from all angles. They're USB rechargeable, easy to install, and built for daily use. With multiple lighting modes, you can adapt to any condition. Among cool bike gadgets, this set is all about safety and confidence, helping you ride clearly and be seen, no matter how dark the road gets. Number 14. HTZPLOO Bike Gloves. Sweaty hands and road vibrations can ruin your grip and control. The HTZPLOO bike gloves give you a secure hold with breathable fabric and cushioned padding that absorbs shocks. They keep your hands cool while reducing fatigue on longer rides. Easy to slip on and built for durability, they instantly improve comfort. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that makes every ride feel smoother, giving you better control, more confidence, and a much more enjoyable experience overall. Number 15. ATOVANKA Bike Mirror Camera. Not knowing what's behind you can make riding in traffic nerve-wracking. The ATOVANKA Bike Mirror Camera gives you a clear rear view with a built-in camera system. It lets you monitor traffic without turning your head, improving awareness and safety. The display is easy to read and installation is simple. Among cool bike gadgets, this one feels like a high-tech upgrade, giving you extra vision on the road so you can ride smarter and stay in control at all times. Number 16. CyclingDeal Upright Bike Stand Floor. Storing your bike can be frustrating when it constantly leans or takes up too much space. The CyclingDeal Upright Bike Stand Floor keeps your bike stable and upright without drilling or wall mounting. Just roll your bike in and it stays securely in place. It's perfect for apartments, garages, or tight spaces. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets for organization, turning clutter into a clean setup while protecting your bike from unnecessary falls and damage. Number 17. VASTFIRE Rechargeable Rear Bike Lights. Riding at night without proper rear lighting puts you at serious risk. The VASTFIRE Rechargeable Rear Bike Lights make sure you're seen from far away with bright, attention-grabbing illumination. They're USB rechargeable, long-lasting, and easy to mount. Multiple lighting modes let you adjust visibility based on your ride. Among cool bike gadgets, this one boosts safety instantly, giving you peace of mind every time you ride after dark. Number 18. Rehook Chain Back. A drop chain can stop your ride and leave your hands greasy and frustrated. The Rehook Chain Back fixes the problem in seconds without touching the chain. Its clever design guides the chain back into place smoothly and cleanly. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for quick fixes on the go. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that saves time and hassle, getting you back on your ride without the mess. Number 19. LESOVI Electric Bike Horn. Quiet bells often get ignored in busy streets, making it hard to alert others. The LESOVI Electric Bike Horn solves that with a loud, clear sound that instantly grabs attention. It's compact, easy to install, and rechargeable for daily use. Whether you're riding in traffic or crowded areas, it ensures people hear you coming. Among cool bike gadgets, this one boosts your presence on the road, keeping you safer and more confident in every situation. Number 20. Tobefore Bike Cup Holder. Carrying a drink while riding can be awkward and inconvenient. The Tobefore Bike Cup Holder gives you a simple, secure place to keep your beverage within reach. It holds cups, bottles, or even coffee firmly, preventing spills on bumpy rides. Easy to attach and adjust, it adds instant convenience to your setup. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets for everyday comfort, making it easy to stay refreshed without stopping your ride. Number 21. XIEEIX Rear Child Bike Seat. Riding with your child can feel risky without the right support and safety. The XIEEIX Rear Child Bike Seat turns your bike into a family-friendly ride with secure harness straps and a stable, comfortable seat. It's designed to keep your child safe while giving them a fun view of the journey. Installation is straightforward, and the build feels solid on every ride. Among cool bike gadgets, this one brings peace of mind so you can share your cycling adventures together safely and confidently. Number 22. MEGHNA Woven Bike Basket. Carrying groceries or personal items while riding can be awkward and unbalanced. The MEGHNA Woven Bike Basket adds both style and function with a spacious, sturdy design that holds your essentials securely. It attaches easily to your bike and keeps everything within reach. Perfect for daily errands or casual rides, it blends practicality with a classic look. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that makes everyday cycling more convenient, turning your bike into a reliable carry companion. Number 23. Monster Fairings Motorcycle Lock. Leaving your bike in public spaces can leave you constantly worried about theft. The Monster Fairings Motorcycle Lock offers heavy-duty protection with a tough, durable build designed to resist tampering. It locks your bike securely, giving you confidence even in busy areas. Easy to use and built to last, it's a strong upgrade for your security setup. Among cool bike gadgets, this one stands out by protecting what matters most, so you can park your bike without second thoughts. Number 24. UNCO-Pencil Tire Gauge. Riding with incorrect tire pressure can make pedaling harder and reduce control. The UNCO-Pencil Tire Gauge gives you quick, accurate readings anytime you need them. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, so you can check pressure on the go. Simple to use and reliable, it helps keep your tires in perfect condition. This is one of the coolest bike gadgets that improves performance instantly, because the right pressure means smoother, faster, and safer rides. Number 25. HOTO Mini Bike Tire Pump. Getting stuck with a flat tire can completely ruin your ride. The HOTO Mini Bike Tire Pump is a compact, powerful solution that lets you inflate your tires quickly wherever you are. It's easy to carry and simple to use, making it perfect for emergencies or quick top-ups. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive performance. Among cool bike gadgets, this one keeps your ride moving, so you're never stranded and always ready to keep going. Thanks for watching 25 cool bike gadgets on Amazon you'll instantly want. If you discovered something awesome, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Check the description for links, and don't miss more cool bike gadgets coming soon.